Hello students, now I will discuss about the next topic named Advanced Features in MS Excel 2010. In the Advanced Feature MS Excel 2010, there we will discuss about the referencing, sorting, filtering and chart in MS Excel. As you know early, you have studied in the class 6 that the MS Excel is an spreadsheet software because of the combinations of row and column, or we can say the intersection of by the intersection of rows and columns, a lot of number of cells formed that make an spreadsheet which is used in the several places like shops, like industry, like school. It is very useful application. So I request you to everyone who are watching it that you pay your attention here. Now we begin the topic, and the topic is cell referencing. We know that the cell of MS Excel spreadsheet is formed by the rows and column intersection. So the cell address consists of two parts: column name and row number. Here also you can see in the screen there are so many. I am showing you through the movement of mouse. You can look and understand A, B, C, D, E, and the row numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It is the very first cell. It is very first cell A1. This is A1. When I will press here, so here in address bar it will come A1, and when I will press this is 258, it will show B5, first column name, then row number, and so on. Now I tell you about the cell referencing. There are three types of cell referencing. Actually, the address of the cell is called reference in the terminology of computer. We say what's your address, but here the address change to the word reference. So this is 125. I have taken one example to make you understand better about the relative, absolute and mixed three type of references. But by default is relative referencing. So the cell referencing is further divided into three parts. One is relative, absolute, third is mixed. I have taken one example here. There are some prices are given, can be of some commodity, whatever is, doesn't matter. But the prices are given like 125 to 600 to 58, 453 and so on. And downside, here are few commissions are given. Commissions are like this: 2.5%, 3% and 5%. This is 1 to 5 in what cell? B2. We have applied to calculate the commission value in the we have applied formula to calculate commission value in the cell C2. So when we applied the formula to calculate the commission, so you can see here, see carefully, I have pressed now on the cell C2, and you will see the value of formula in the formula bar. It is B2 is this value 125, then star means multiplied, and it is what 2.5% commission. So it is saying here B14. What is B14? It is B and this is the 14. So B14 cell is this. B14 cell is this. 2.5%. So to calculate the value of commission, we will divide by 100. The same thing we have done here in this cell. B2 and B14 divided by 100 and multiply by both the terms will be multiplied. Then afterward what happens? We have pressed enter and we got the value 3.1%. Now in the 7.68 you see here it was given B14 and it is B2, and when this is the autofill handle button, I press automatically the value calculated, and in the next cell you see automatically it is what B3 from B2. This cell it was B2, where it is itself B3, where it is itself B4, where will come itself B5 and so forth. And here the value B14 is given 2.5%. But in this cell, as when we have done the relative cell referencing, so it becomes B15 itself. In the B15, what is value? 3. 3% is calculated for this cell. And the example you can check in this way. This is the C4 cell. This C4 cell, and the formula change itself. It is B4 star B16. And what is in B16? 5. 5% of 100 is 5, and so on. So here you have seen that the formula is written once, and in this cell the formula is given. After the calculating the value, we will press the autofill handle button. It is autofill handle button. See here, it is autofill handle button. I can show you by increasing the size of the screen. This is the right down corner square is called autofill handle. As you point that autofill handle, the point will the mouse point will change its shape, and when you double click on this, so the calculation will take place itself automatically. So it was the way that how to understand the relative reference. I have shown you the example here. Now the next comes absolute. In absolute what happens? In absolute we assume the value of a particular cell, and we want to use the same autofill handle to calculate itself, and that time when we will apply the formula, so we will use only the value of cell address, but with dollar symbol. See in what in the absolute one. Now I had pressed, and you can see here the address bar. It is B2. B2 is what? 125. B2, then star. Then you see here B40 is before B there is dollar, and 14 before 14 there is dollar. Then divide by 100. The value is same. 2.5% is there, but 2.5% of 125, it is calculated 3.125. Now again we want to calculate 2.5% of this, 2.5% of this, 2.5% of this. So here it is taken the absolute value, means in the B14 cell there is 2.5 value, and you have used it here in the cell B2 using the dollar symbol before the column name and row number. So it means when you will use autofill handle here to double click then the value calculated in the next cell, the fourth cell, up to where the calculation of the selection going down in the spreadsheet will be carried with the same value as there in the cell B14. Means all the values are calculated at the summation of 2.5%. 2.5% of 100 is 2.5. You can say. But here it was 0, 0, 0, 0 because when it is B17, you can see downside here in the screen, up to B17 the value was here, but in B18 no value was there, B19 no value was there. That's why the commission is got here 0. So there should be no more confusion about it. So now, because of the taking the dollar symbol before the name of column, because of taking the dollar symbol before the cell address, means before the column name and row number, we got the calculation in this way. Now, mixed reference. In the mixed reference, we will discuss. So here I have taken the example of mixed reference. You can see here we have calculated the value afterward the calculation of the commission. Suppose 125 rupees object is there and commission is 2.5%. So afterward, what value you have to pay, or what is the value of that the commodity or object, whatever is there. So here it is in the cell E and row 2. The formula is applied B2 minus this is the value B2. Value B2. इसमें से from this value subtract the value of the commission is 3.125. 3.125 will be subtracted from 125. So then it will be 121.875. We have given same thing in what way? We have given the same thing in this case. B2 minus B2, then B, this is the cell B14, he has fixed the value of the row. See here, before B here is no dollar, and before 14 here is dollar. It means the column can be changed. We have given the formula in that way that column can be changed, but row cannot be. In the same way, next, the same value will be repeated. So here, in the next reference, the relative as well as absolute. See, relative is in the B2, B3. The same calculation is applied on B2. Same calculation applied on B3, B4, and B5. But one thing is fixed. What is fixed? The row number. That is 14th row, B14. Because of that only the calculation carried out with the commission 2.5%. So it is little difficult to understand till you will not do 2-3 times yourself. So I request you, like this one example, you can also make yourself on your electronic gadget as you are having laptop or computer, so you will understand better. So in this way, this is the cell reference.